So next, coming to 3D printing materials. What are the material you are used for 3D printing? So there will be some polymer materials, metal, ceramic, composite, functional, that is electronic, shape memory, biologic, food, etc. So coming to polymers, in polymers we are going to see different types of materials like high performance, that is PEKK, that is semi-crystalline, PEI amorphous, for engineering that is PA12, TPU, PA11, PETG, PA6 semi-crystalline, PC, PEE amorphous, and commodity we are using the materials like PP, PE, PLA, ABS, PS, HIPS, PVC. So these are the materials related to the polymers. And coming to metals, we are using materials like stainless steels, tool steels, aluminium, titanium, cobalt chrome, tungsten, nickel alloys, cast alloy HS, copper, gold, silver. Coming to composites, we are using plastics like onyx, nylon, continuous fibers like carbon fiber, Kevlar, fiberglass, HSST fiberglass, metal matrix composites. And the materials others you are using like wax, sand, glass, concrete, living cells or screen or food. So these are the materials which are used for the 3D printing. Next, some of the materials used for only for FDM machines like acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, that is ABS, polycarbonate PC, polylactic acid PLA, high density polyethylene HPDE, PC or ABS, polyphenine sulfane, that is PPSU. So these will be materials that we are used only for the FDM technologies. Next, coming to 3D printing applications areas. So depending upon the application areas and its benefits and example you can see in this slide. Coming to prototyping, it is your benefit for prototyping or it is faster, less expensive, allows complex designs. For example, it is used in R&D and product design. Coming to aerospace, it is benefit for lightweight, complex design, spare parts. Example, it is used in injector nozzle for LEAF engine. Automotive benefits are faster design cycles, cost and time savings, spare parts for rare vehicles. And the example for this area are the turbine for Kinosik sports car customization. And coming to medical or dental area, its benefits are patient-specific design, optimized structures for bone, ingrowth, etc. And the examples for this area are the transparent invisible braces, hearing aids, implants. In military area, benefits are simpler logistics, spare parts availability in remote area or on ship. And the example is USS XX printer installation. And the different areas will have different benefits. Like in jewelry, you can use this 3D printing. Next in industrial, construction or architectural, sports or clothing and electronics. So there will be have some different types of benefits as per their applications. Next, coming to areas, you used in the medical fields, food, games and entertainment, do it for yourself, pop culture, defense and space, fashion and retail. In these different areas, the 3D printing can be used. So some of the pictures I want to show regarding the 3D printer, you can see here. You can print different types of prototypes, types, plastic materials, and the mechanisms also you can print. So coming to applications of 3D printing in jewelry design. So you can print ring and some different types of diameters. Rings also you can prepare by using the 3D printing. Coming to 3D printing in medical. So these are some of the applications where the 3D printing material parts can be used in implants, surgical planning, orthopedic cast and personalized medicine. In this area, the 3D printing was used. So these are some of the skulls or bones or any structures they are used in 3D printing. And you can prepare 3D printing sandals, cars, dresses, 3D printing bicycles, 3D printing gates. So these are different areas where 3D printing is used. Okay. So this is about the 3D printing, and thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.